thank you guys for coming. I'm here on behalf of like Absurd Industries. Absurd Industries, who like by show of hands is this your first Absurd event? Okay, okay. So a little bit of context about Absurd. Absurd is we call ourselves we're a group of hardware makers, but fun like we call ourselves makers. So we are trying to bring back the maker moment in Bangalore, in India, to be honest, and we are doing so through open source hardware and a bunch of things and I'm hosting monthly meetups and so on. Our goal, fundamentally, simply put, is just to get people to start making more, and what we're doing today is like is like a step in educating and providing the skills to the community so that the community can start doing more. And hopefully we'll have more workshops like this moving forward. We're doing this event in collaboration with PCB Cupid. I think Srini will get him to talk, but I just want to thank Brightnodes for kind of giving us the office, and I think we'll get started. So I think, simply put, the kind of agenda will be, we'll have Kailash. Where's Kailash? Yeah, we'll have Kailash do like a electronics 101 for you guys, teach you guys basics about electronics. I think as part of the onboarding in the Luma, when you signed up, we asked you guys what your level is, and I think a lot of folks here put beginner. So we'll have like a very simple electronics 101 class for you guys, teach you guys the basics of electronics. And would you need a whiteboard or something? Okay. So okay, perfect. So after that, we'll have the PCB Cupid team teach you guys how to use KiCad. Step by step, we get there. All right, guys. Quick intro about PCB Cupid.
Hey, hi guys. I don't know how many of you have heard about the name before. So we run one of the kind of a large open source hardware ecosystem. So we are trying to build like a lot of alternative for different developments boards, which are completely open source. And we've been doing this meetup quite a lot. I mean, only couple of them are been live, like from past 2-3 events. But throughout last year, we used to conduct like almost every month. Every month we used to have a different event. So hopefully you guys can join for more upcoming events, and it will it'll be around open source hardware, and also mostly we'll try to keep it hands on. So either you come and you learn and you take away something. So that is our concept. And yeah, it's still loading, but so whenever you get a time, just go through pcbcupid.com. So you will see all the hardwares that we built. So most of them are based on ESP, Raspberry Pi Pico, and again other several modules and breakouts we have. So today also, whatever the kit you have, right, we have a very small tiny board on it. It's called RP2040. Again, it was completely designed by us, and also we have like a documentation, and we'll walk you through how to set it up, how to dump the code, and take it forward and build a fully fledged keyboard. Yeah. And I need to give a special thanks to Brightnodes. So they were the one who was giving us the space to host this entire event. I think I'll call Hari. I think he'll give a couple of talk about what is Brightnodes and what they do.
I feel very inspiring looking at all this crowd who is working on an innovative plan. And from Brightnodes, I would like to say, Srinivas, that it is a great thing that you people are here. And just quick about Brightnodes. Brightnodes is a software solution company, which is into, we have done a list of projects, which is into e-commerce and ERP, SaaS-based project, Web3, and blockchain-related technology softwares also we have developed. And we have traveled from past 4.5 years. We have one branch in Krishnagiri, and there's another branch which is there in Bangalore. And that's it. Thank you all.